Hi, my name's Mike Smith, CEO of Horizon Professional. I'm delighted that you've taken the step to come and learn a bit more about what it'll take for you to start learning options. In this short presentation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the why options may be a good thing for you to have a look at and give you an opportunity to find out some more so that you're in the best position to decide, yes, options is something I want to learn some more about, or no, it's possibly not for me at this moment in time. Either way, it's okay. Either way, I congratulate you in taking this first step, and I hope what I've got to say is of interest to you and you take the next step after this one. So what's it all about? What's your purpose? What should be your why of learning some options? Well, the bottom line is, it's having increased lifestyle choices through taking some control of your financial future. There are many opportunities to invest out there. And what I'm going to do here is briefly outline what options can do for you, why options may be a fit, so that you can then go on and learn some more. So let me ask you a question. What additional lifestyle choices could you make if you were to learn how to generate extra income from the share market every month? Now at this stage, it doesn't matter whether that's a few $100s or a few $1,000s. Both are possible depending on many factors, not least how well you're educated. But also there's other things like what the market's doing at a particular time, how much capital you've got to invest. So what you've got to do is view this whole process as a journey. But if you were to generate, say, an extra $1,000 a month, what difference would that have in your life? What extra choices could you make? Think about it for a moment. If that idea appeals to you, then let's move on. As we know, there are many ways to trade financial markets, and you may well have already attended seminars and workshops on various different sorts of investment vehicles. Here are the 5 most common. Obviously, the one that most people have heard about is shares. What's important is, through any education process of the others, having some understanding about the share market is absolutely crucial, because most of the other vehicles have a direct relationship to the share market. So part of my job as an educator is not only to educate you on whichever vehicle is right for you, but also make sure that you understand how financial markets work so you can make good choices. So why options? Why would we think that options might be a good idea over the other vehicles? Well, what you need to do is look at what's important to you if you learn to trade. The first thing for many people, of course, is time flexibility. Many of you are working in standard salaried jobs and perhaps haven't got a lot of time to invest in looking at trading financial markets. What's important to you is you choose something that fits in with your lifestyle, not takes away from it. So time flexibility is absolutely crucial. The second thing that might be important is to be able to trade different investing ideas. Many of you are aware in recent times of the advantages of trading in precious metals. But also, you may have an idea about where the markets might be going in the future. You may simply just want to generate a monthly income from your investing. So what you need is a vehicle which gives you the opportunity to trade those ideas, whatever they may be. The third thing is to trade different market conditions. As we know, sometimes the markets go up, sometimes the markets go down, and obviously sometimes the markets go sideways. What we need is a vehicle which will enable us to invest in any market conditions and, of course, profit. Number 4 is making sure that we've got balance. Balance is absolutely crucial. There are times when you're going to have lots of stuff going on in work or at home, and it may not be possible to do high intensity trading. There are other times when perhaps you've got a little bit more time on your hands, are able to invest more time in looking at the markets, and therefore can look at some of the high intensity trading strategies. So what you want is a vehicle which allows you to trade both low intensity and high intensity, so you can choose which strategies are best suited to whatever else is going on in your world. The 5th and final one, and possibly the most important of all, is you want something that allows you to manage risk easily. As with any investing, all of these financial vehicles have a degree of risk. Sometimes that risk management can be quite complicated. So what you want is something that helps you manage the risk by simply looking at the sort of vehicles you're investing in. So looking at these 5 things: time flexibility, trading different investing ideas, balance with life through low and high intensity trading choices, trading different markets, and easy risk management. Those are the things which are probably important to you if you're anything like anybody else we've ever worked with. And there's one vehicle which enables you to meet all of those 5 objectives. And that, quite simply, is options trading. If those 5 things are important to you, then I would suggest you delve a little deeper into the world of options. Now, to allow you to do this, to make an educated decision as to whether options are right for you, and without filling you full of the hype and big dollar figures that you see bandied out there by all and sundry, I want to keep it real. So, how do you get started? How do you start this journey into learning some more about options? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer you the opportunity to get 3 free gifts. Gift 1. I'm going to give you access to the first module of the course that we run, the Elite Option Trading course. This takes it right back to square one and looks at what options actually are, so you can understand to some degree what it is you may be interested in actually trading. Gift 2, and one of the most exciting things that we can look at with options, is generating a monthly income from the share market through a strategy called covered calls. I'm going to give you the lowdown on what that is and how to do it. Gift 3 is looking at some of those other investing ideas. So gift 3 is a video that talks about 5 ways to profit with options. Beyond what you'll have learned in the first video, in the second video, we're going to look at 5 other ways. So you can have the full picture in terms of what you may be getting into here, and how you can put some things in place to start to generate those lifestyle choices through share market profits, as we mentioned earlier. So what do you need to do to take advantage of this opportunity? Well, it's quite simple. All you need to do is access all of your 3 free gifts. And then it's up to you. Take your time, work through those 3 free gifts, get the knowledge, make notes, do the right thing in terms of the learning that's in there. There's a vast amount of learning just in those 3 videos. So it's quite simple from here. All you need to do is go to www.eliteoptiontrading.com/newtrader.html. and you'll get information about how to access your 3 free gifts. I give them with pleasure, and I trust that you'll find them useful. You'll follow through and watch them. I'm excited about the prospect of anybody starting to look at options trading, and no different with you guys. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. My name is Mike Smith. It's been a pleasure, a privilege, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye for now.